Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. Like, you can set up a schedule for it, you can change its name, you can select its start time, end time, and also days on which it will repeat. You can allow exceptions, like you can add notifications to exceptions, notifications drawer, other notifications types, status bar notifications, banners, notification badges. You can allow messages from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts, or from nobody. The same goes for calls. There's also an option ring for repeat calls. Like if the same person calls you within 3-minute period, this call will be added to exceptions too. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.